Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to your English class. I am Miss Aisha Ijaz, your English teacher. Let's have a look on message of the day. The message of the day is: respecting others is the best tool to earn respect. अगर आप दूसरों की रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे तो ही दूसरे आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे. So we should treat everyone nicely, and if we want that we should be respected, first we should respect others. Let's move on towards our topic. Today we are going to read poem Rainbow. Tell me too, class, do you like rainbow colors? Yes, everyone likes rainbow colors. There are 7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And we name these words as Webgir. Do you know why it is called rainbow? Because rainbow is like a bow which appears during rain. In the sky, it looks like a colorful bridge. Before moving on towards our poem, let's have a look on objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to read the poem with correct pronunciation, guess the contextual meanings of difficult words, comprehend the central idea of the poem. Let's start our poem. Our stanza 1 is: boats sail on the river and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. As you know that boats are small in size, so boats sail on the rivers, while ships are big in size, so ships sail on the seas because seas are huge. But we also see clouds sailing in the sky, moving from one place to another, and this looks more prettier than the sailing of boats and ships. Let's have a look on new words in this stanza. Your first word is sail. Sail meaning is when a boat travels on water, it sails. We see different boats traveling from one side to the other side, so it means that boats or ships are sailing. The next word is across. Across means movement from one side to the other side, moving from one place to the other. The third word is prettier. Prettier means pleasing or attractive. Now let's practice how to pronounce new words in this stanza. The first word is boats. All of you pronounce with me. Boats. Boats. The second word is sail. Sail. Third word is ships. All of you pronounce with me. Ships. The next word is clouds. Clouds. Next is across. Across. And the last word is, pronounce with me, prettier. Prettier. Let's move towards stanza 2. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and build the road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So to class, we see different types of bridges on the rivers, and all those bridges looks so beautiful and attractive. But on the other hand, when we see colorful bridge in the sky going from top of the trees and building a road from earth to sky is more prettier and attractive than man-made bridges. And that bridge is called rainbow. Let's have a look on new words in this stanza. The first word is bow. Bow meaning is something that is curved like an arc. Anything that is in a curved shape, we called it a bow. The second word is heaven. Heaven means the sky. Next word is overtops. Overtops means rises over the top of. Going from the top of anything means overtops. Let's pronounce the new words in this stanza. First word is bridges. All of you pronounce with me, bridges. Bridges. Second word is rivers. Rivers. Third word is bow. Bow. The next word is pretty. Pronounce with me, pretty. The next word is heaven. 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 And the last word is, pronounce with me all of you, overtops. Overtops. So this was our poem Rainbow. Let's recap our today's lesson. I will ask questions from you and you will answer those questions. Your first question is, where do boats sail? Yes, boats sail on the river. Your next question is, where do ships sail? Yes, ships sail on the seas. The next is, what sail across the sky? Yes, clouds sail across the sky. So this was our poem Rainbow. Your home assignment is, correct the following misspelled words. 6 misspelled words are given to you. These words have incorrect spelling. You have to write the correct spelling of all these words. So this is your home assignment. And this was our today's lesson. I hope all of you have liked this lesson and understood this lesson. Thank you so much, all of you.